Good morning guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. Once again we are out in the wild, such a beautiful day. So as you can see we are in a really narrow valley, so the sun doesn't really reach the ground, but it's a lovely day and it's perfect time to go outside and have some fun in the wild. So right now it's almost 1 p.m. It's time for lunch, but first of all we have to get some cover because in the shadow it's pretty cold right now. Okay guys, now we are nice and dry, let's have some lunch. So guys, while the water is boiling, I covered up myself a little bit more because it's really chilly today. Especially here in this place, the humidity is really high and the sun is not gonna come out today. It is what it is, but as soon as possible we are gonna have some chicken with curry. Can't wait to taste this meal right here. Smell is good, and I guess the taste will also be so good. So for the food we have to wait almost 10 minutes, and I will take some time to speak about what's behind me right now. Those are typical buildings or typical small houses you will find in the valley of my region. Those constructions are, I think, abandoned right now, and maybe during the summer some shepherd will come up here with the cows and sheep and whatever. They are really fascinating because they are made of local stones. They blend in the surrounding really well. Okay guys, time to eat. chicken with curry. Not bad. At least the smell is good. Awesome. Really awesome. I really love those real meal. I think they are the best, or at least the best I can find here in Switzerland. But I tried almost all you have on the market. Tactical food, Decathlon one, and so on. But those real meal, they are really good. Okay guys, time to go home right now. So it was such a good day, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. If you have something to share with me, please comment down below. I see you on the next outdoor corner. Bye for now.